When I first joined SEI 10 years into my structural engineering career, I felt like I had hit a career wall. Although I had found technical mentors at work, I had struggled to find the guidance in developing the business and leadership skills that I knew and wanted to grow. I felt stagnant, disconnected, and frankly, a bit disillusioned with our entire structural engineering industry. I also want to mention that I knew no one in the structural engineering industry outside of the people that I had worked directly with. Needing a change and really looking for some kind of spark in my career, I applied to join 2 SEI committees and was accepted to one. And when I showed up at that first virtual meeting, I was both the youngest and least experienced person by far. That is what made what happened next feel somewhat like a miracle. I was encouraged by the committee members, who eventually became my mentors, to stretch myself. So, for example, when the committee needed someone to co-author a thought leadership article on data that they had done research on, I hesitantly volunteered. I was then paired with a seasoned committee member who I learned so much from, and that article was my first co-authored publication in my structural engineering career. Next thing I knew, I was asked to present the data that we had shared in our article at Structures Congress. And I remember standing in front of peers at that event, presenting for the very first time in my professional career, physically shaking behind the podium because I was so nervous. And at the same time, knowing that I was fully prepared because of the support of my SEI committee mentors. With every encouragement, with every gentle push outside of my comfort zone, my confidence grew. And their belief in me inspired me to believe in myself in a whole new way. Fast forward a few years, and I was leading that committee. I cannot overemphasize how much the mentors I have found in SEI have changed everything for me, including my very career and life. I went from feeling stuck in my career to having the courage to start my own firm. From showing up as a hesitant introvert to becoming the elected fiscal year 25 SEI president and the first woman to hold that position. Without those mentors pushing me, I truly don't know where I'd be today, and I certainly wouldn't be talking to you on this video. But it took me taking that chance, looking for that growth opportunity, and being brave enough to raise my hand and ask for help. Now, my story, it won't look exactly like yours, but I want to encourage you, if you're feeling stagnant, if you know you need a change, to consider who you're surrounding yourself with and connect with a mentor. It requires courage to rewrite your story and to reach out for career guidance. But I have personally experienced and seen from many others that I've coached and mentored over the years that all it takes is one connection, one interaction, one person's genuine belief in your potential. And just that one person, that can be the difference between staying stuck and small versus achieving things that may be beyond your wildest dreams right now. You are worth surrounding yourself with people who believe in you, who see your potential. And it all starts with the courage to seek out mentors.